So guys, what we will do it, we will create some parameters for this list options, as well as to printing the result we also require some parameter. So we will also write for it. We will also write some code for that as well, but first we will target these list options. So for that, what I will do is I will go to the prototype, press the interaction, and here what I will say is, if I will click on if user click on this America option, then what will happen, that we will tell him that it should be true, and also we need to tell the Figma that apart from this America, the other parameter should be come as a false state. Okay, so you need to define it, you need to tell him that the other options should be in the false stage. Okay, so otherwise what will happen, he will he, like the Figma will not unable to judge that what he need to do if user click on the second option or third option also. So what Figma do then, he will like also active this second option and the third option. Okay, so we need to tell him there will be only one option come in the true stage, and apart from that the one option, the other will be come as a false stage. Okay, so we tell them that the America, if user click on the America, it should be in a true, and apart from it other will be in a false. Okay, so now right, and now what we will do is we will copy this variable. Okay, and we will paste it in the all the options, but only thing what we need to do is we need to change the parameter accordingly here. So we need to change the UK as a true and America as a false. Again we need to change this America as a false, and third option is UAE. We are we are working on this UAE option, so we need to make it this as a true. Okay, so that you need to change for all of the options. It should come as a true. Okay, after that it should be false, and it should be called as a true. Okay, here coming to the Nepal, the America should be in a false stage and Nepal should be in the true stage. Okay, so that is what we did here, and now we need to check it that whether it is working or not. Okay, so here I just click on the America, it is showing me that it is correct, but I think we have by mistakenly given the wrong. No, it is right, but why? Why the selected text is coming in the grayscale? That we need to check why it is happening, just because we have this. Okay, maybe that is why it is. Maybe that is why it is coming. I mistakenly pressed the visibility options, transparency option. That's why it is coming in the gray shape, gray color. So now as you can see, and what we can do is we can also reduce the gray percentage of unselected options, so that what will happen, that you can easily see the difference if I selected any options. Okay, so now we can select only one option at a time. Okay, now what we are expecting, that if user select this any option from these and a user press this button like choose your country, it should show as a result by saying that America is my native country. Okay, so for that what we will do is we will come here, sorry, and under the CTA we will write some interaction, and first of all we will say that by clicking on this it will navigate to the result page. Okay, this is the first task. After that we will pass some parameter on that, what we will say that if America is equal to true, okay, then add action. On action what we will say that find the result, and under the result target the result input and add a string which is called America. Okay, so what he will do is now is by pressing this button, first of all he will redirect us to the result page. Okay, this is the first task he will do. Okay, after that what he will do is he will find that he will check that if America is true, if America is equal to true, if America is equal to true means if user press the America option, okay, then it will change, then this value comes as a true. America radio button options come as a true. Okay, comes into the true stage. Then Figma will find the true stage from these options. Okay, and after that he will check like once he checked that I just found one option America as a true option, then he will pass the parameter that set the variable that in the result string. In the result string he will find the result string that which is choose text. Okay, as you remember that we given this choose text as a result string. Okay, so he will find the result string, and after the result string he will say that instead of the result in the in the result just add America text. Okay, so right now he will add the America text here, but now we need to do one more thing before telling him to add America. What we need to tell him that we need to tell him that in the result you need to blank this string. So now what will happen that first I need to move it before the second before this passing the America string. So we need to tell him just find the result string first and make it as a blank. Okay, and after that again he will find the result string, and in the result string he will write that plus the America, means he will type in the blank section, just because choose we change the choose into the blank string. Okay, so in the blank string he will write the America. So now let's see this prototype is working or not. I selected this America. Now Figma knows that this America is in the true stage. Okay, and now if I press the choose your country, he is showing us the result that America is my native country. So how it is happening, we telling him that first what is happening here is once the user press this America or any options, the Figma will know that this particular radio button is now changed into the true options. Okay, so now Figma knows that this option is in the true stage. Okay, after that what will happen, user will press the choose country, he will check all these options. Okay, all these options he will check that whether the America, UK, UAE, which option is in the true stage. Right now America is in the true stage. Okay, so I just press this and he just change this choose string into the first blank, and after that he just add the America text instead of the choose or instead of the blank string. Okay, so the result will be America is my native country. So now as you know that how these things will work, here I will also show you that we need to also pass the parameter for the UK and other options as well, but I just wanted to show you, okay, so that you will be aware that how the things will work. So now we have written two, we have like passed two parameter for the America, for the UK. So now we have the options. So now we can see which options is working, which option not. So America we already tested. Now we are testing the UK, and now I just press the choose your country. After selecting the UK options, it is showcasing the result of UK is my native country. Okay, so I hope it is quite clear to you. Okay, so this parameter I also need to pass all the radio button options, but I am hoping that all the things, sorry, it should not be the set variable, it should be called as a if case. Okay, now so you need to write this you need to pass this parameter again and again for all the conditions. Okay, but yeah, the major part is already done. I am mistakenly selecting so as you can see that this is a quite simplest way to achieve the radio button option, where we are selecting one of the radio button options, and we can also print the result as a text that which options we have selected. Okay, so this is how you can achieve it. So let me test that Sri Lanka is coming or not. It is coming. India is coming or not. It is coming. Nepal is coming or not. It is coming. UAE is coming or not. UAE is also coming. So see, it is a quite easiest way to achieve this by passing some simplest parameter. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will help you to write a better prototype interaction in your design. Okay, so hopefully you will like this video. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues whosoever wanted to learn Figma prototype interactions with the advanced level. Just share with them. Also like and comment the in my video. So like what kind of video, what kind of interaction you wanted to achieve in your design, I will come up with that solution. And I will also try to, like, if the Figma can't provide that, I will try to achieve that in the with the help of prototype software also. Okay, so let's see you into the next my next video. Till then, bye, take care.